Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is my daily rant as there's something that is happening with, of course, the famous update that is always failing for the Windows recovery, but on a different scale where actually bad guys are using this to try to put viruses in people's computers. So when we say that Microsoft does stupid things regularly, one of them is right now happening again. It's been annoying us for a year and a half now. It's all started in January of 2024 when a famous security update just wouldn't install for a lot of people. And so if I look at my update history here, I probably have the original one and the listing. So let's go 2024 January. And if we go 2024, okay, it stops here in May. Well, way back in January, there was this security update for Windows recovery environment. And if you didn't have enough space, or if you didn't have a recovery partition, it crashed with an error message and couldn't install and plagued a lot of people for a long time. And there were several versions of this over the last year and a half, different catalog numbers. Now they're back again with one that is April of 2025, KB 505-7589. And it's more than annoyance when we say that Microsoft not only does stupid things and doesn't really connect with the real people, because they're asking people that have, in general, know how to use their computer but don't know or not technical. Oh, just, increase your partition space. Yeah, you're asking people to do something they never done, and they don't even know what a partition is for the most part. And this is a thing where it gets even worse. It's that lately and in the past months, apparently a lot of gangs that, are searching for ways to scam people are actually calling or sending emails. It's like a phishing scam saying, oh, this is Microsoft. We know that you have an error message with this update and Windows Update. And of course, people that don't have a lot of knowledge tend to fall for it because they're like, oh, yeah, okay, well, Microsoft knows I got an error message. Yeah, Microsoft never contacts people. Remember that. Microsoft does not, contact you to say, oh, you got an error message. They will never do that. Either by phone, by email, and anyway, and by Messenger on Facebook. So people are being actually scammed because those that fall for it, well, the bad guys get access to your computer. And what they do is they put an info stealer. So they put a little virus or malware, make sure that your antivirus can't detect it. And they just scoop all the personal data, your credit card numbers, everything they can find about you. And can create identities of all sorts, take loans. So this is where Microsoft is dumb. It not only doesn't understand that it's pushing an update that should not anyways be seen by most people, it's also pushing an update that's creating a security privacy hazard because of bad guys trying to exploit that to push malware and steal info. Come on, Microsoft. This is ridiculous, and you are so dumb. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.